Nobody talks about these, not on social media, not at parties, not in business school. 20 businesses, unglamorous, unphotogenic, completely ignored by everyone chasing the next big idea. And yet quietly, consistently, these 20 businesses have made ordinary people millionaires. Not overnight, not through luck, through boring, reliable, overlooked demand. This video covers all 20. None of them are the ones you've seen 100 times. No vending machines here, no laundromats, just real businesses nobody talks about. Real numbers, real margins, real people running them quietly. Not glamorous work, not exciting work either, just steady, consistent, reliable income. Let's begin. Stay with me. This list took real research. Every business here solves a real problem. Every business here gets paid consistently. Nobody chases these ideas online. Nobody films them for social media. That silence is exactly why they still work. Let's go level by level. Level 1. Businesses tied to things nobody wants to think about. Portable toilet rental. Every festival needs them. Every construction site needs them. Every outdoor wedding needs them too. Nobody wants to run this business. Almost nobody actually does. That gap is the entire opportunity. Margins stay high. Demand never disappears. Weddings happen every weekend. Construction never truly slows down. One unit rents out repeatedly for years. Maintenance costs stay predictable. Cleaning routes get scheduled efficiently. Septic tank pumping. Rural homes rely on it completely. City sewers don't reach everywhere. Someone has to pump these tanks regularly. That someone gets paid well. Competition stays thin. The work is dirty. The paychecks are not. Trucks cost money up front. Routes stay booked for months afterward. Customers rarely shop around for pricing. Grease trap cleaning. Every restaurant needs this service. Health codes require it strictly. Skip it and kitchens shut down fast. Restaurant owners pay without hesitation. They simply can't operate otherwise. This service quietly recurs every few months forever. One restaurant becomes a recurring client instantly. 10 restaurants become a real business quickly. Level 2. Businesses built around things breaking down constantly. Elevator inspection and certification. Every building with an elevator needs it. Legally required. Non-negotiable. Inspectors earn steady contracts citywide. One certified inspector can service dozens of buildings. Income compounds fast without much overhead. Training takes real effort up front. The license itself becomes the business moat. Repeat clients rarely switch providers once trust builds. Fire extinguisher inspection and recharge. Every office needs this. Every restaurant needs this. Every apartment complex needs this too. It's required by law almost everywhere. Nobody skips it voluntarily. The service repeats every single year like clockwork. Routes get more efficient with scale. Bulk contracts with property management firms pay steadily. Commercial pressure washing. Parking garages get filthy fast. Loading docks collect grime constantly. Property managers hate dealing with it personally. They gladly pay someone else to handle it. Contracts often renew automatically for years. Equipment costs stay modest compared to revenue potential. Seasonal demand actually smooths out across an entire year. Level 3. Businesses built around equipment nobody wants to own personally. Crane operator training and certification. Construction sites need certified operators constantly. Training centers stay busy year-round. Certification fees add up quickly across hundreds of students. Demand rarely slows during any real construction boom. Facilities cost real money to build initially. Once built, they generate cohort after cohort of paying students. Forklift rental and leasing. Warehouses need forklifts occasionally. Buying one outright rarely makes sense for smaller operations. Renting solves that completely. Leasing companies profit from steady, recurring business relationships. Maintenance gets bundled into contracts easily. Fleet size grows slowly and predictably over time. Mobile equipment repair for construction sites. Heavy machinery breaks down constantly on site. Waiting for a shop tow costs contractors real money daily. Mobile repair technicians charge premium rates for convenience. Contractors happily pay to avoid costly downtime. Technicians build loyal relationships with general contractors quickly. Referrals alone can fill an entire schedule. Level 4. Businesses tied to legal requirements nobody enjoys. Locksmith and commercial rekeying services. Businesses change locks constantly. Employees leave. Security concerns arise regularly. Commercial rekeying contracts pay significantly more than residential work ever does. Repeat business builds naturally over years. Emergency calls command premium pricing instantly. A trusted locksmith rarely loses a client to a competitor. Traffic cone and barrier rental. Every road construction project needs them. Every event needs crowd control barriers too. Renting beats buying for most contractors entirely. This niche rental business quietly profits from constant local construction activity. Storage space becomes the real bottleneck at scale. Inventory simply cycles between job sites endlessly. Industrial degreasing services. Factories accumulate grease and grime constantly on equipment. Regular degreasing prevents costly breakdowns later. Specialized cleaning crews charge premium industrial rates. Contracts often lock in for entire years at once. Chemical knowledge becomes a genuine competitive advantage. Larger factories often sign multi-year service agreements. Level 5. Businesses built around waste nobody wants near them. Medical waste disposal. Clinics and hospitals generate hazardous waste daily. Strict regulations require proper certified disposal. Licensed companies charge accordingly for this specialized service. Barriers to entry keep competition genuinely low here. Certification alone filters out most casual competitors. Contracts often span entire healthcare networks at once. Junk removal and dumpster rental. Renovations create mountains of debris constantly. Homeowners and contractors both need quick removal services. Dumpster rental adds a second steady income stream easily. Both services complement each other naturally. A single truck can serve dozens of jobs weekly. Word of mouth alone often fills an entire calendar. Pallet recycling and repair. Warehouses discard broken pallets constantly. Retailers need replacement pallets just as often. Recycling and repairing bridges that entire gap profitably. Margins stay surprisingly strong in this overlooked niche. Raw materials arrive essentially for free. Repaired pallets resell at real profit almost immediately. Level 6. Businesses tied to disasters nobody plans for. Water damage restoration and mold remediation. Pipes burst without warning constantly. Basements flood after every major storm. Insurance companies pay restoration companies directly and promptly. Demand spikes hard after every single weather event nationwide. Certification opens doors to insurance networks quickly. Emergency response commands genuinely premium pricing every time. Commercial gutter cleaning. Clogged gutters cause serious structural damage over time. Property managers hate climbing ladders themselves entirely. They gladly outsource this recurring seasonal task completely. Routes repeat twice yearly for the same properties. Bundling with pressure washing multiplies revenue per stop. Fence installation and repair. Storms damage fences constantly across entire neighborhoods. Property lines require fencing legally in many areas. This steady repair demand rarely disappears for very long anywhere. Material costs stay predictable across most seasons. Referrals from happy neighbors keep the pipeline full naturally. Level 7. The final two most people overlook entirely. Concrete crack repair injection services. Foundations crack slowly over many years. Left untreated, repairs become dramatically more expensive later. Specialized injection technicians charge premium rates for genuine expertise here. Homeowners rarely question the price once foundation fear kicks in. Word travels fast through local inspector referrals. Bee removal and relocation. Bees swarm buildings more often than people realize. Exterminators often refuse this specialized work entirely. Trained removal specialists charge significant premiums for careful, safe relocation work. Seasonal spikes create predictable surges every single spring. Some operators even sell the relocated honey afterward for extra profit. That completes all 20 businesses across every level covered today. Portable toilets, septic pumping, grease trap cleaning, elevator inspection, fire extinguisher service, pressure washing, crane training, forklift leasing, mobile equipment repair, locksmith rekeying, barrier rental, industrial degreasing, medical waste disposal, junk removal, pallet recycling, water damage restoration, gutter cleaning, fence repair, concrete injection repair, bee removal. 20 real businesses. 20 real opportunities most people never seriously consider. 20 proof points that boring beats trendy far more often than anyone expects. None of these require rare genius. None require massive starting capital either. What they require is comfort with unglamorous work most people instinctively avoid. That avoidance is exactly the opportunity hiding in plain sight. Most people scroll past listings for these businesses without a second glance. That single moment of dismissal is precisely where the entire opportunity lives quietly waiting. Every single business on this list shares one quiet trait: consistent demand nobody can simply cancel. Buildings will always need inspecting, waste will always need removing, storms will always cause damage somewhere. That reliability builds real wealth slowly over time. Nobody gets rich overnight running a septic pumping truck. Plenty of people get quietly wealthy running one for 15 patient years straight. Pick one from this entire list tonight, just one. Research licensing requirements this week instead of simply watching another list video next week. That single decision separates people who eventually build something real from people who keep collecting ideas forever without starting a single one. If this list showed you businesses you've genuinely never seen covered before, that was exactly the goal. This is POV Zen. Subscribe for the next 20 overlooked businesses explained just as directly. Somewhere out there, someone just found their very first real opportunity from this exact list tonight.